Hello everyone, Ashanti Titus here with Profit Mode Financial Services. I'm super excited today to bring you some information. What we do here at Profit Mode Financial Services is we help you by bringing you the latest information and also information that's going to help you as your business expands. We want to make sure that you're not being caught up and roadblocked by certain things that have simple challenges that have simple solutions. So we want to talk about that today. So we're going to talk about today your maintaining your vendor files. This is so very important because it will save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in penalties, fines. Not only that, but it'll make your life a lot easier and a little bit less stressful when it comes to issuing 1099s and maintaining your W-9 files. This is very important for any business, but specifically if you have government contracts and things like that, you have to track these and you have more scrutiny when it comes to your files. We're going to dive into that today. So first and foremost, it's very important to make sure that your 1099s are issued by the deadline. Normally, the deadline for 1099s is going to be January 31st of the following year of activity. So this is 2020. So the activity for the 1099s should be reported January 31st, 2021. So when that time comes, it's important to be able to just, push a button and go. Okay, sounds quite simple. There's a couple of steps to get there, but however, if you don't have everything set up, it won't be that easy and simple for your business to do that. So let's go ahead and talk about the penalties here. So if you're not able to meet those the 1099 deadline, which is set by the IRS, then there's some penalties involved here. So here we are on the IRS website. This is for businesses who make there are small businesses who make $5 million or less. So that's pretty much everyone that has a business that makes under $5 million or less. So 0 to 5 million, right? So let's say we're going to use, for example, ABC Lawn Care Company. Let's say you own a company and you pay ABC Lawn Care Company for their services throughout the year, and you paid them $1,000 for 2020. So if you go January 31st and you have everything set up properly, it's going to be very easy for you. You're going to be able to submit them a 1099 on time. However, if you issue it out to them February the 2nd, the IRS you're subjected to a $50 penalty for that. Okay. That's $50. And let's say in March the 3rd, let's say you don't get around to issuing the ABC Lawn Care Company the 1099 until March the 3rd, that's $110 per statement. All right. And if you go out further than that, it's going to be $270 per return. And if you're ever audited and they find that you never issued ABC Lawn Care Company a 1099 for the year of 2020, you're going to have to be subjected to a $500.50 penalty from the IRS. All right. And so this can definitely add up. If you're doing business with over 100 vendors that you pay over $600 to, and you don't have all of the documentation in order, it's going to rack up a pretty hefty bill for you in penalties that, we don't need to be paying, right? And it's just simply by getting organized and having the stuff together. At Profit Mode Financial Services, we help you to get your 1099 expenses in order. And this all starts with something as simple as maintaining those vendor files in a W-9 form. So let's talk about that. So the W-9 forms are free. You simply can do a quick Google search. Anyone that you do business with, you set them up in your accounting system with a W-9. So before you even cut them a check, they need to send you a W-9 form. This W-9 form will be submitted to them by their accountant, or you can request a W-9 form from them. A lot of established businesses already know about W-9s, and they'll simply submit it for you. They'll have it already ready. But simply with the W-9, it has the information. It has their updated information as far as their address and then their EIN number, as well as the type of structure that they are. This is going to help you to set them up into your accounting system and to help you track the expenses throughout the year to the proper organization that you're going to be paying. All right. So the W-9 is very simple. You're just going to, just send that to them. And you want to make sure that you have this on record each and every year. So for 2019, the company, ABC Lawn Care Company, is going to send you a W-9, and for 2020, they should send you an updated W-9 form. This W-9 form that they submit to you should be attached within QuickBooks under their vendor profile. So this is on your side. So they won't see any of this. It'll just be attached, and that documentation will be kept electronically. You can also keep copies of this as well if you're, old school and you like to keep everything paper copy and have a file for all your vendor files. All right. So this will save you time, hours, and also hundreds of thousands of dollars by making sure that your vendors are set up correctly, organized throughout the year, and they're being tracked within QuickBooks, because then it'll be so easy. It'll be a press of a button. It does take a little bit of work, especially if you have hundreds of vendors to do this. We specialize in that. We have over 12 years of experience in accounting and making sure that tax documents are well maintained. So if you need help with that, if you experience, and a lot of us experienced throughout COVID-19, just so many different changes. So we're here to help you. So definitely reach out to us. You can find us on the web at www.profit-mode.com. You can also email me at Ashanti, that's ASHANTI, at profit-mode.com. We can set up a free consultation for you to help you to get those W-9s and 1099 expenses maintained. So we're so excited to be here and to help you. So just reach out to us and we'll help you out with that. Until next time, you all stay prosperous and stay great. Thank you.